Today I am going to show my Kinder Joy toy collection. Since childhood, I had a passion for buying Kinder Joy and collecting its toy. And still, I do. A Kinder Joy is enough to convince me for anything. Whenever a new edition of Kinder Joy comes out, I buy it immediately. A few days ago, the Harry Potter edition of Kinder Joy was in a such high demand that I could not find it anywhere. Finally, I found it in a store and bought it 3. I have many collection of Kinder Joy like Disney Princess, Barbie, Doraemon, Fairy Edition, Animal Edition, Rings, Spinning Toy, etc. সো আজকে এতটাই, দেখা হচ্ছে নেক্সট ভিডিওতে।